Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Alpella. Today I'll be showing you one of the platforms where you can do jobs online. You can either work as an advertiser, which is sending people to do jobs for you, or you work as a earner, which is working and getting paid. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is to click the link, which is the one on my bio, and then it will open this way for you. Okay, to open like this for you. Now here, when you scroll down, you're going to see for advertisers, these are people that they want you to do jobs for them, and the people you're going to send, they will have at least 1,000 followers for them to be able to do jobs for you. Now let's see the pricing. For you to be able to send people to for people to do these jobs for you, you're going to pay them 100 naira per WhatsApp. Okay, for Facebook is 150, Instagram 150, Twitter is 150, and TikTok is 150. This is for advert task. Now, get real people to post your adverts on their WhatsApp status. Each person will create two separate status posts with one post containing your advert image, video, while the second post will contain only your advert text or caption. So they're telling you what the people will do for you that you're paying to do your job. Then the next one is called engagement task. Now this one is get real people to follow your page on social media. So this one is you send people to go and follow your page on Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok, and you pay them 5 naira for all this. This one is get people to view and comment on your YouTube channel. You pay them 50 naira and lots more. So these are the things you send people to do for you. This one is for people that are creators that want people to do jobs for them. Okay. Then the second type here is called for earners. Now this one has to do with people that just want to work for people. They don't want to send someone to do anything for them. They are called earners. So let's see the pricing. Now, for you to post, people to send you to go and post for them, for you to do the job, this is 100 naira. This is 50 naira for WhatsApp. The other one, they pay Hawkit. And then this one, Hawkit pays you to do the job for the people. So we have post adverts, these are the price. Then they have perform engagement task. So this ones, they pay you 3 naira to do these jobs. And for me, if you times either 3 naira, 30 naira, 15 naira, 100 naira, whatever, times how many jobs you want to do per day. Like, let's say if you're doing 100 naira times 100 people, that's 10,000 naira. For me, that is a good one. For daily job, that is a good one. Okay, so let's start. So we'll be creating for earners. Then the next one we're going to create for advertisers. So let's go. We're going to go on sign up. Now, I would want to create a full account first. Then I will then choose if I want to be an advertiser or if I want to be an earner. So I'm just going to create account. I'll put in my name. And now this place that they wrote your referral name, you're going to put in the person that referred you. But since you'll be using my link, automatically it is there. Okay, so you just put in your name and click on sign up. Now I'll put my username and my email. So I'm going to put my email, I'm going to create my password, and I'll click on create. and then we come back. Okay, so I've created my password. I've put in my email. Now to receive an email that will give me two-factor code. So let me go to my email and search for that. Okay, so I went to my email. I saw the two-way factor. I've put it and then it opened this way for me. Now let's continue. So I'm selecting my gender, selecting my state. So my state is Lagos. I'm selecting my local government. My local government is Lagos Island. And my location, set location. You're almost done. Okay, so upload profile picture. Okay, so just hold on and I'm going to upload the profile picture. So you just click here, then you upload your profile picture. Okay, so you can also take a picture, but uploading I think is the best. So just hold on, let me upload my profile picture and I'll be back. Okay, so I've uploaded my profile picture and I will click on proceed. So we're almost there. All right, so let's know more about you. It's asking of my birthday. So I'm going to put my birthday, my region, and I'll click on continue and we proceed, okay? So it's asking for my religion. So I'm going to put in my religion, which is Christianity. I'm a Christian, and I'll click on continue. Okay, voila. So this is how it's going to open up for me. Now, this is my name. This is my username, which is UPL 2024. And this is how my work page is going to be. So in this place now, I can either choose to work or I can either choose to advertise. It depends on what I would like to do here. Okay, so this is how you create your page on Hawkit. Okay, now as I said before, you can choose to become an advertiser or you can choose to just earn, work for people. Okay, so very simple, very easy, and then you start making that money. Now, it's a welcome Hawkit, so please select what you want to do on Hawkit today. As I said before again, you can become an advertiser, you can start earning. So get started now. Let's click on get started now and see what they have for us. So this is for me to send people to do jobs for me. Okay, then the next one is become a member. Get paid for posting adverts on your social media. Now when you become a member, we are currently running a promo that gives additional cashback. Welcome bonus is 200 to new members. So turn your social media account into a money making machine. Now, a lot of times you see people tell you, oh, post this on my page, post this on my page, and you don't get paid for it. But with this one, you will get paid for it. So to be a member, you have to pay 1,000 Naira. You click here to pay 1,000. This is it. You click here to pay 1,000 Naira. Here is where you click and you do your registration. You either pay with your wallet and it's secure, it's safe. When you pay the 1,000, you start doing jobs. Without you paying this money, you can't start working on this platform. And I mean, what's 1,000 compared to how much you're going to be making every day? So it's worth it. Okay, so it said earn steady daily figures by following liking, commenting, sharing, retweeting, or posting adverts for people. Then it say earn an instant referral commission 500 naira when you refer someone to become a member. So by you putting out your link, which is my link you followed to do this, I'll be getting 500. The same thing with you. The moment you put out that your link, someone clicks on it to register, they give you 500. Okay. So you say earn social boost referral commission of 20% of any amount paid when you refer someone to buy. Like, this is amazing. So just go through it, read everything, and then you make your choice on the one you would like to do. So this is one of the platforms where you can make money online, and I wish you all the best. Every day at least, if you can make 5,000 to 10,000 every day, that is amazing. All right. So thank you everyone for staying put to this class. And if you know you got value, please kindly subscribe, like this video, share this video, and put on the notifications so that whenever I post more videos of how to make money online, you'll be informed and you will join. So thank you everyone. See you next time, and God bless you.